Welcome back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne and this is the kitchen segment, and we are making roasted Brussels sprouts with a coconut cashew curry dipping sauce. And this is, of course, in honor of Harry Styles' birthday. So February 1st is Harry Styles' birthday, and he is known to love Brussels sprouts. And I am just going to show you a little version. He says he likes with a curry, but this is a curry dipping sauce. Okay, let's get started. So what I have here is, I got like from Bagliani's, which I love. They're local in Hamilton. And I went and got a bag of their Brussels sprouts. They were on the larger side. If they're small like this, I just wash them and leave them. I do take the little tiny, edge off of it, or tip off. I cut it off, not too much because then the whole little thing falls apart. But they were kind of large, so I cut them in half. And I put them on a cookie sheet and just sprinkled them with some pink Himalayan salt and then some black pepper. And then what I'm going to brush over is this wonderful, I always love garlic infused olive oil, and I usually get it from Tales of the Olive here in Hamilton, but this time we often roast our own garlic, but Bagliani's does it for you. Like, I got this whole container for $4.14 and it will go, and they're all in there with this lovely oil that you can just brush right onto all of these little Brussels sprouts. They're so cute. And they're going to be delicious. So yes, Harry is known to love Brussels sprouts, and he says he likes them with a curry. So we're making Brussels sprouts that are gonna roast, and we're gonna smash them. And then we're gonna make like this dipping sauce, this curry dipping sauce to go over it. And it's got coconut in it, and it has cashews, and it is amazing. So then I brush all of the little Brussels sprouts, and then I just put this aside because we're gonna mix that in. Next, we're gonna put this in a preheated oven at 350. Check back in about 20 minutes to make sure they're nice and tender. All right, I'll be right back for the dipping sauce, the yummiest part. While the Brussels sprouts are cooking, I think you can hear I have the fan on, but you can hear me, I have a big mouth. I wanted to tell you a cute story about Harry, since it's his birthday and this is in honor of him. When he was on tour last year, wherever he went, he would donate all the money from his sales of merchandise and part of the tickets to a charity. And when he was locally here, he did one in Philly. He did that for the Children's Hospital for cancer research. But when he was in Hershey, PA, he donated to Gemma's Angels, which I think is cute because his sister's name is Gemma, and it's a really cool non-profit organization. It's like this food truck, and it is filled with locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables, and they bring them to shelters. They go into 2 counties that are in Pennsylvania, and one of the things they like to do is to just bring awareness to children, especially young children, about not eating processed foods and quality foods such as fruits and vegetables, which Harry is all about that, especially with the Brussels sprouts, which is so nice. Okay, now for the sauce. I'm going to have in the description below the exact amounts, or the suggested amounts. But the main thing to understand is that these are the ingredients that really should be as exact as possible. The actual cashews and the coconut milk. So we have a cup of roasted cashews. You can roast them yourself. Then what they are is soaked for a while so that they're soft. So this is a cup of those. I'm gonna dump them in, and they're unsalted. And then I'm going to use a half a cup of the coconut milk and put that in. Then I'm gonna grind that up, mix it up in the food processor. A half a cup. And then I'm going to put a splash of the vinegar, onion powder. Some people put honey, I am not. And then what I have in here is a curry powder. It's one that we make. I will have the recipe for that as well. It has things like turmeric in it and coriander, ground coriander. It has like a chili powder. It's not spicy. We add the spice if we want it, because the kids like the flavor, but not necessarily always the spice. It has sweet paprika in it, cinnamon. There's a whole list, and I will let you know. It's really easy, just mix it all up. But I'll put that also in the description below. So I'm gonna turn this on and get that going. Then the splash of vinegar, and you'll see me working. Okay, here we go. You wanna get it as smooth as possible. Okay, now a splash of the vinegar. I tend to like more. And then we have the minced, by the way, Baglandi's makes all of these. Minced onion. I would have added the garlic too, but I have the garlic already on the Brussels sprouts. Oh my God, it smells so good. Next, I'm gonna add the curry powder. Pinch of salt. A little bit of black pepper. And put that back on. All right, I'm gonna taste. It's good. I think it needs more salt. Maybe a little bit more vinegar. Okay. When I come back, I will show you how to plate it all up. Here they are out of the oven. And they're so tender. They're like butter. Oh my goodness. They smell and taste delicious. I cannot wait to show you how to plate them up. Here they are. They're like butter. Oh my goodness, as is the garlic. I wanted to show you the roasted garlic, how that is like butter. It just smashes down. Look at that. Oh my. Now you know I'm gluten-free, but if you had this with bread or grilled chicken or just like this, it would make a wonderful meal. All right, so I'm gonna put, look at them. Oh my goodness, just them by themselves are amazing. And like I said, this one is soft too. I left it whole, it was the size of it. So they cook for about 20 minutes. This is the curry sauce with the cashews and the coconut. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to sample it. It's a really good combination. Thank you, Harry Styles, for inspiring this. My Abby Rose is like, is he here yet? She thinks he's coming to eat this. We wish. Harry, we would make a beautiful meal for you. All right, try this out. Everything will be in the description below. As always, thank you for tuning in to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and you have a good day.